Hi world, welcome back. So again, we are full swing of the holidays and things are getting worked up and we are getting prepared to eat mounds and mounds of food, which is one of my favorite things to do. So I decided to create a look that was meant for that. So this is kind of the dinner look to, you know, have your friends either for Friendsgivings or family little get-togethers. You know, this is just like the preparation to the actual Thanksgiving day. Yeah, so I really like this look. I love how warm it is. It just is very homey, but you know, I always gotta throw in that sparkle because we are always shining. And yeah, I think this is a really beautiful like fall colors, fall look. That's what I meant to say. Yeah, I'm just, the lashes alone are just making me so happy. I wish I'm like, I don't know if you can see how sparkly it is, but it has such a nice shine and it blends really well, and it's perfect for this time of year. So if you want to see more, stick around. As always, you know how much I appreciate you guys watching, so don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and sharing is caring, and I know I'm being so demanding. But as always, thank you and stay tuned. Okay, beauties, so this is it. We are done and we are ready for any like Thanksgiving dinner. We're ready for any Friendsgiving. This is the killer look. This is what I like to do as my like dinner looks. She is so orangey and like pumpkin-y and still with her sparkle. So yeah, we're definitely bringing glam to any of the dinners that we get invited to. So this is definitely shining star 100%. Yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Is definitely playing around with the 3 different palettes of Alamar Cosmetics. As you can see here, they have a lot of great colors, so if you don't own these, I would definitely invest at least in one of them. They've been so like good to me, and honestly they're good for all year round. And I'm like, at the end of the day, like you spend what, 28 bucks on it? So each one is like $28, I believe. And I mean, like, it has such great colors. It's so well pigmented. You know, you can go and spend, you know, almost $50 on an Anastasia palette, but if you don't have that kind of money in your budget for makeup, this is such a great alternative. So yeah, until next time, my loves, have an awesome Thanksgiving and any other dinners, and obviously I am so thankful for you guys. And yeah, stay tuned for the official Thanksgiving look, and then obviously the rest of the holidays looks. So bye.